Hi everyone, welcome to Cigarettes and welcome to another video. Today we're going to be talking about the months of the year. Do you know them in Setswana? Do you know what they mean? Well, I got just the answer for you. Remember to like and share our video so that we can grow our channel. So the first month of the year, or months in general, are called Dikgwedi. Dikgwedi. So Dikgwedi with Ngwedi is moon. So Dikgwedi are months, not that we're using the lunar year or but so Ngwedi is the moon. So Dikgwedi are somehow related to the moon in the origins of time. Today we're going to learn them in Setswana though. The first one is January. Ferikgong. Ferikgong. That's January. February, Tlhakole. 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 That's February. March, Mopitlwe. 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 April, Moranang. Moranang. May, Motsheganong. Motsheganong. That's May. June, Seetebosigo. Seetebosigo. Which, side note, means don't go visiting at night because it's cold. Eta is to visit, so don't visit at night. Seetebosigo. June. July, Phukwi. Phukwi. August, Phatwe. Phatwe. September, Lwetse. 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 October, Phalane or Diphalane. Phalane or Diphalane. November, Ngwanatsele. Ngwanatsele. December, I was thinking, who December boss? December, Seetebosigo. Seetebosigo. Those are very, very long words of proper foundational Setswana. So let's go through them. Ferikgong, Ferikgong, Tlhakole, Mopitlwe, Moranang, Motsheganong, Seetebosigo, Phukwi, Phatwe, Lwetse, Phalane, Ngwanatsele, Seetebosigo. Yay! Remember to like and share this video. And until next lesson, Goeie. Goodbye.